I do not have a normal right hand. However, I likely type faster than most of you people. Watch. Ooh. All right. Oh, that's a new record for me, released tonight. That's pretty good. It's actually higher than my other two, 78 and 77. So what is that? Average is to like 78, right? So um, it's a lot better than most of y'all. I did one mistake, and then one mistake. I was 75, 72, and 74 words, which is not bad. I feel like I've gotten higher like when I was younger. I'm 30. I'm currently unemployed in between jobs, and basically just trying to create opportunities. Um, and I'd like to know what's wrong with my hand, but right now I'm okay with it because I type faster than y'all. Anyway, check out my Patreon, www.patreon.com/darkmage, and check out my website, evildojo.com, and please give me Bitcoin and dollars to do stuff for you. Um, and if you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter at twitter.com/evildojo. Y'all take it easy. Peace out.